What's up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Girl. Welcome back for another video. My girl and guys, what's Papa locking, y'all? I want you to know it's time to celebrate you. Time to give yourself a round of applause, and I'm going to do the same. This is for the single and satisfied, parents, business owner, 9-to-5 boss, and more. While showing you how to celebrate yourself, I'm going to highlight some dope Black-owned businesses that are available at Target, and I want to thank Target for sponsoring this video and allowing us and reminding us to get back to celebrating ourselves. Let's do this. So let's start with the Dew Sucker Free Moisturizing Shampoo. This has such a gentle cleanse, but it really got in that hair, okay? It was time to remove all the product buildup and whatnot, and it did just that. It also helps with improving moisture retention. They have some key ingredients like silk amino acid, shea butter, and aloe. After using that, I went ahead and used the Dew Free Rinse Moisturizing Conditioner. It states that it helps with restoring the hair's pH balance and it improves elasticity. And I was really able to detangle my hair with no problem with this product. Sometimes I just want to get a little jazzy, and I use Up North Naturals 8-oil blend on the hair just to be a great cocktail for my deep conditioning session. This has ingredients like safflower oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, neem oil, jojoba oil, lavender, rosemary, and so many more. Here are your oils that help with dry hair. Now it's time to style, which is my favorite part. This is the Dew Mos Def Texture Foam. People love to use this product for a wash and go, and I'm going to actually use it for a rod set. This product is really good for wash and goes, twist outs, rod sets, and it really just helps with defining and adding shine to the hair with no crunch. While in this moment, I'm going to decide that this is a twist and curl just because I two-strand twisted further down than I normally do for my regular rod set. So that's what we're going to call this today. And you're going to two-strand twist halfway or a little bit halfway down, and then you're going to smooth it out and then add it on the rod. Halfway up or all the way up to the scalp if you want to. You know what? I want to celebrate trying something new today. So I went ahead and tried to do something a little different in the front. So I did a flat twist in the front on both sides, and then I added 2 braids in the middle. And I'm going to celebrate the fact that I made straight parts, at least straighter than normal. And so I went ahead and braided that on up and then added rods to the ends of that braid and twist. Right here, I was laughing at myself just a little bit because I thought the braid was straight, but it's, you know what? We're progressing, and that's what matters. Celebrating yourself is such a need because I'm able to do certain things that I just wouldn't normally do on a day-to-day, and also recognizing the accomplishments that I've done. I mean, there are moments where you can be like, oh, that's so small, but no, all those moments count, and you can write it down and put it in a jar each day, a couple of days out of the week, on what went well and what you accomplished. And then at the end of the week or month or even year, you can reflect on those things. This is a great pick-me-up when life seems hard or stagnant. Another way to celebrate yourself is self-care. So yeah, take time to nurture your body and your mind. I love that during this process, I can celebrate Black-owned companies like Love Jones Candle by FB Candles. Y'all, this is created by 3 young men, and I love the fact that as this melts, it melts into 3 different scents. It has a top, middle, and a base. So while we have the candle going, now I am going to indulge in my skincare routine, and this is Jack's skincare line. I've met her in person, so it's really cool to see her evolve, and really love her skincare line just for the fact that she's really being detailed on how the skin works. And I know that I can pick a particular product from her collection that will work well on my skin. So here I have Jack's Moringa and Papaya collection. It contains vegan and organic ingredients to help with healing the face and hydrating the face. Now, this is a part of celebrating yourself where I say buy something nice. So this is J Dow Fitness. This is her top and bottom, and it is so cute and comfortable. So grab Mented lip color. This is the color Mauve Over. So cute. Here I have Jolie Noir, which stands for Pretty Black in French. What I like about their collection is that they also promote body positivity. So they have sizes all the way up to 6X. So before I start my day, I want to make sure that I use some type of sunscreen. So this is Black Girl Sunscreen. She has a regular, matte, and kid version for sunscreen. Another product I want to highlight is the Honey Pot Company. This is their feminine wipes in normal, and you can use this on intimate parts, the body, and the face. I like the fact that this really makes sure that you are comfortable, confident, and clean. I hope you were able to find different ways to celebrate yourself. So let's go ahead and take down this hair. I just enjoy a good perm rod set, so I'm excited to take down my hair and get this style on and popping for y'all. So grab some oil, and which I'm going to be using the Up North Naturals a oil blend, and go ahead and separate your curls. Take your time. When it comes to perm rod sets, you're going to have to really go in and create your separation. So don't be nervous to go in there and start pulling the hair apart and twirling it on your ends so that that curl can come back to life. This part is optional, but I'm going to finish the look with the Up North Natural Smoothing Edge Gel. Oh yes, this is popping even more with her curls, but also with celebrating herself. Now, this is my reminder. It is okay to take care of yourself and spend some money on yourself, okay? Thank you again to Target for sponsoring this video and reminding us that it's good to celebrate others, but we also should include ourselves in that too. I hope you found this video educating, a little entertaining. Let your girl know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Join my beautiful people crew. Woody woo. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. 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 Peace.